Welcome to the Go Production Deployments video course from PACT. My name is Kamesh Balasubramanian. I'm the founder and CEO of WireCog, which happens to be a Go shop. I'm also a patented inventor and a published author of numerous Go titles, including the book on isomorphic Go. Go is a programming language that I am very passionate about. I'm also an open source contributor, and I'm the founder of the Isomorphic Go project. I've had the opportunity to write about Go for the Silicon India magazine, and I've delivered talks on technology that I created with Go at MIT, GopherCon India, and the World Maker Faire. I have over 20 years of full-stack web development experience. I've created award-winning high-profile web applications for Disney, ESPN, and ABC. In this video course, we will learn how to deploy Gopherface to the cloud. Gopherface is the full-stack Go application. In Section 1, Deployment Essentials, I'm going to introduce you to Linode, a major cloud provider of virtual private servers. We will learn how to provision a virtual server instance on the Linode cloud so that it's suitable to run Gopherface. I will show you how to set up a new Linode instance, install MySQL and Nginx on it, and how to install and configure a free SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt. In Section 2, Standalone Deployment, I'm going to show you how to perform a standalone deployment of the Gopherface web application to the cloud. The most amazing capability of a Go standalone deployment is that we don't need to install the Go runtime on the target system. I'll introduce you to cross-compiling, and I'll show you how to create a 64-bit Linux binary from your preferred operating system of choice. I'll show you how to prepare and deploy a production deployment bundle. And I will show you how to run Gopherface in the cloud. And finally, we'll learn how to turn the Gopherface application into a system service using systemd. In Section 3, Docker Deployment, I'm going to show you how to deploy Gopherface as a multi-container Docker application running in the cloud. Gopherface as a multi-container Docker application will consist of the Nginx reverse proxy server, the MySQL database instance, and the Gopherface web server instance. I'll show you how to install Docker, and then we'll proceed to Dockerize Gopherface. We'll learn how to use the Docker Compose tool to run Gopherface as a multi-container Docker application. I'll show you how to set up the Dockerized Gopherface application as a system service using systemd. You will need a domain name and a virtual private server instance running Ubuntu Linux 16.04 LTS with root access. Although we demonstrate a cloud deployment using Linode, the concepts are similar with any other VPS cloud provider of your choice. If you have any feedback for the course, feel free to reach out to me at my website, kamesh.com. I hope you have a great time taking this video course.